everyone, I'm Jenna, and welcome to Teacher Time. Today, we are at the Central Academy of Fine Arts. It's a famous art university in Beijing. Come on, let's have a look around. This is the university's art museum. Inside, you can see paintings and sculptures done by students and famous artists. Art museum. Many universities will have a forest path like this one. If the weather is nice, it can be a good place to have a walk, or even sit and read a book with your friends. Forest path. This is an auditorium. Every university must have an auditorium where many people can listen to a speech or a lecture at the same time. Auditorium. This is a workshop. This is where the students can build things like sculptures. Workshop. This is a classroom. This is where the students will come to learn and study. And the teacher is here.
Hello, students.
Classroom. This year marks 100 years since the beginning of this university. Here, you can read all about the history of the school. This is the university's sports center. Here, you can play basketball, badminton, or tennis with your friends. Sports Center. This is the university garden. In the springtime, it will be filled with flowers. This is a good place to have a rest after class. Garden. This is a dormitory. It's where the students live. One room will have between 4 and 6 students inside. You can see them drying their laundry on the balcony. Dormitory. This is the university bathhouse. It's where the students who live in the dormitory come to bathe and get hot water. Bathhouse. This is the university cafeteria. Here, students can eat their lunch and dinner. There are all different kinds of things to eat. Let's go have a snack. Cafeteria. Wow, I had a great time exploring the Central Academy of Fine Arts with you. But this is just one of the universities in China. There are many different schools for many different subjects. What do you want to study? What's your dream school? Take a video and send it to our Weibo. If your video is really good, we'll send you a surprise gift. All right, time to go. See you later.